want to talk about waxes. Are a big thing. I mean, there's a lot of misconceptions about them, and I want to get into some of that kind of stuff, so stick with me. It's probably one of the oldest traditional ways of forming locks. Braiding as well, right? Braids and then waxes going into locks are probably like the oldest things in history. Whether you're a loctician and you want to be able to bring this to behind the chair, or you're somebody just seeking out some information about dreadlocks, maybe you want to start a journey or whatever, this is probably a good one for you guys to watch. There was one little like personal belief in there I'll get to at the very end. I feel like waxes are going to hinder your cleansing, whether you have straight hair and you're just like styling your hair with waxes and pomades, or you have locks. Either way, it's going to hinder the cleansing. If you've ever worn wax in your hair in a pompadour, you would know that it takes at least twice to wash that stuff out, maybe even 3 times. And that's just so you can have a new base the next day to do a pompadour, right? Let alone like if you have locks and it's stuck in there all the time. So what we're doing is you're palm rolling waxes in, and what's going on inside is that it's clumping up in there and it's staying inside of your lock. And it's all up in there, and so like the water can't penetrate in there. It can't cleanse any of that dirt. So anything that sticks to it and gets in there is in there. And unless you like really cleanse that stuff out, it's in there. So that hinders the cleansing of your lock, which by sealing the cuticle and putting a wax over the top of it is going to dry your hair strand out. It's also in there, and it's gonna be hindering your locking process. Now, like waxes on regular hair is fine. You can style it, wash it out, right? But it's gonna be in there hindering your locking process. Very similar to if you never wash your locks. You might still have locks, but it's not nearly as healthy as it would be if it was clean. It means it's really hard to get out and it clumps up in there. There's been studies on hair that hair holds energy. And you can look all that kind of stuff up. It was military stuff is like the most popular one about it, right? When they cut the natives' hair and they couldn't feel as much. My personal belief is that these are my antennas and I can feel the world and see the world through them a little bit more. Whether that's true or not, I don't know, but I do feel that in that belief, if there's waxes in there and I'm not able to cleanse out that dirt and that grime that's gotten built up in there and all the other stuff that's in there and all the experiences that I'm going through and all that kind of stuff, if I'm not able to cleanse that out as much and the water isn't penetrating in there and it's not doing its job, that is blocked. And I feel like that blocks my energy channel, or would block my energy channel just the same way that your regular buildup would be, which is why regular deep cleanses are going to be very important in your lock journey, or to tell your clients about. What I'm saying is that waxes are probably not the best thing for you to be putting in your hair, and washing regularly is extremely important as well inside of that, and that's why. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you guys have a freaking wonderful day, man. Catch you later.